friends and welcome to Gizbot. Today I have with me the Oppo Enco Air2 Pro. These are the latest TWS earbuds in the Indian market. It comes with a very sleek design. It features active noise cancellation and much more. Here's the unboxing and the first impressions of the same. So this is the Oppo Enco Air2 Pro earbuds and it comes in this small square box. So let me just open and see what it has to offer. So as soon as you open, you can see the charging case of the earbuds, and over here you can see the Oppo branding and logo as well. So these are the Oppo Enco Air2 Pro earbuds over here. I'll be exploring more of what these have to offer in detail. Next up, we have the instruction manual and the charging case for the earbuds. So this is the Type-C charging cable which goes into the charging case over here. And we also have the safety procedure and instructions for the earbuds. Let's start off by seeing what the Oppo Enco Air2 Pro earbuds have to offer. So as I showed earlier, you can see the Oppo branding on the charging case. Oppo has brought in a unique charging case for this earbuds. It's got a translucent jelly-like design. So here you can see through the case but not exactly see what's inside. So over here you can also see the LED lighting which changes when you open, close, when it's on charge, or when you remove the earbuds. So when I open the earbuds over here, the charging case, you can see the left and right indicators for the earbuds. Over here below, you can see the charging port for the USB Type-C charging port over here. So here is the 12.4 mm composite tetanised diaphragm drivers, which is one of the latest and new technologies that Oppo has brought in for the earbuds. It comes with the Bluetooth 5.2 transmission and it also packs improved battery. So here Oppo claims to provide 24 hours of listening time on a single charge, which is pretty much improved. You also get a lot of other features with the Oppo Enco Air2 Pro. For one, you get live sound effects, improved bass and touch controls, and a water resistant body. So as you can see, the Oppo Enco Air2 Pro earbuds are pretty comfortable to use. We've already posted the detailed review at gizbot.com. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.